Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your BMW 1 Series grille. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a trim removal tool, a T20 Torx screwdriver, and some painter's tape. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface before starting any work. Protecting your paintwork is crucial, so apply painter's tape around the grille area to prevent any accidental scratches during the process. Now, let's get to removing the old grille. Begin by opening your BMW's hood. You will see two top mounting screws holding the grille in place. Use your T20 Torx screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the top screws are out, gently use your trim removal tool to unclip the grille from its lower mounting points. Take your time here to avoid damaging any plastic tabs or the surrounding bumper. Before installing your shiny new grille, let's prepare it properly. First, carefully inspect the new grille for any potential damage or imperfections that might have occurred during shipping. Next, take a moment to thoroughly clean the area where the grille will be installed on your car. Finally, if your old grille had any specific components, like parking sensors or camera mounts, transfer them carefully to your new grille now. It's time for the final step, installing your new grille. Carefully align the new grille with the lower mounting clips on your BMW. Once aligned, push firmly but evenly until you hear and feel all the clips engage securely into place. Reinstall the two top mounting screws using your T20 Torx screwdriver. Double-check everything is secure, then close your hood. You have successfully updated your BMW's front end.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.